Here's another force measuring device. This consists of two pieces of plastic with a space in between them, a rubber band, and the rubber band is attached to a string which goes down through the middle here and down to a hook at the other end. Let's see if I can move so you can see the hook. Now, what I want to do is I want to hold this thing so that when I pull on the hook, the rubber band feeds in between the two pieces of plastic. Then I take the hook at this end of the rubber band, hook it around the support. There's a metal support attached to this end, so that I'm now holding the system by this hook here. Hopefully you can see what I've got there. Okay? Now, if I pull on the bottom hook, holding on the top hook, you can see, if we can get away from the glare, and I don't know how to beat that glare, hopefully you can see the rubber band moving up and down as I pull and release. And looks like I lost the hook. That's easy to fix. Let's just go back and go through the process again. I'll hold by this metal support in the end, pull the rubber band down into the apparatus, and then hold the thing by the hook here, and I've got it again. Now, we're going to be able to calibrate this to measure forces. You can see that it's a measure of forces. One way to calibrate it, of course, would be to pull the pendulum back. Let's move the meter stick out of the way for the moment, although you might want to use the meter stick in calibration. Okay, you can see hopefully, let's get the glare away. As I pull back on the pendulum, the rubber band moves. Of course, as the pendulum hits the edge of the pulley stand here, it moves a whole lot. But there's a definite movement of the rubber band as I pull the pendulum further and further back, and we're going to be able to use that sort of thing to calibrate the rubber band. Alternatively, we can take our mass set and hang known weights from the lower hook, suspend the thing by the upper hook, hang known weights from the lower hook, and let them pull down. And again, we can determine some of the forces involved and how those forces relate to what you read on the scale on the balance.